Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to send an email using a carbon copy or CC. So you need to go your Gmail account. So I'm just going to click Gmail account, and after that you can see this is your Gmail account homepage. So what you need to do, you need to tap here compose. You can see, simply click on here. Once click on compose, then you'll see it's the format of sending email, and from it's your email ID, and to it means the person you're going to send. But when you type any Gmail, okay, any Gmail, and then if you send it, then it's the normal mode, okay. But if you want to send it using CC, then you have to type here. You can see the down draw. Simply click here, and once you click here, okay, so you can see, once you click here, then you can see the CC. It means you have to tap on the down arrow and see, and you have to give the email ID here. You have to type here the email ID, and you can see this is the CC. Okay, this one is CC. So carbon copy, the full meaning. If you send it, and the person will see that it's the CC. And BCC, it's mean that blind carbon copy. It means no one able to see this email, and here everyone can see. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.